Hi everyone. Um, some of my former friends on Facebook should know that I was featured on there this morning, walking into a theater to see a movie for the first time in Greenville, Kentucky. That was a wonderful event. Uh, so yeah, I am famous on there. I was not wearing what I have on right now, but I was wearing well, you guys probably saw on the stream yesterday where I was doing some stuff. So, but anyways, today I have an unboxing for you all today. It's going to be a new book that my fiance wanted me to read along with her. So that is what I'm going to unbox. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this and have a little fun, hopefully. So here we go. So let's pull this thing open. So. Excuse me. Had to sneeze there for a moment. But here is the book. Here is the book. This book is 480 something pages long. It has all the things on there. So this is pretty much the book itself. So this book is this first part has a little bit of the Beauty and the Beast narration of the first part of the story. Then so this is the book As Old as Time, A Twisted Tale by Liz Braswell. It's the New York Times best-selling series. Disney, as old as time, A Twisted Tale. This one talks about the Beast and Beauty and the Beast and how the Beast became what he is now and everything else like that. What he was before he turned into a prince. This tells some of the story. It says, what if Belle's mother cursed the Beast? Belle's mother, hint, I'll give you guys a little hint on this one. Belle's mother happens to be the Enchantress from the musical and from the actual story itself. Lo and behold, that was the secret identity of her, so tell no one I told you this. But yeah, but that is the secret behind this book. So it says, what if Belle's mother cursed the Beast? Well, you will see and find out if you read this book. You can get it on Pure Books. You can get it on Barnes & Noble. That's where I got this one. So that's where you guys can purchase this book. And I recommend those of you to read this book. Also, if you have the Libby app and it's through your library, you can do it through your library card and listen to this book on audio. It's over 10 hours long and it's almost 11 hours of a book. So the book is like 11 hours long. So yeah, so that is the book in itself. So anyways, yeah. So this is pretty much the book. So what if Belle's mother cursed the Beast? Belle is a lot of things. Smart, resourceful, restless. She longs to escape her poor provincial town for good. She wants to explore the world, despite her father's reluctance to leave their little cottage in case Belle's mother returns. A mother she barely remembers. Belle also happens to be Beauty in the actual real story of this. Belle also happens to be the captive of a terrifying angry beast, and that is her primary concern. But when Belle touches the beast's enchanted rose, intriguing images flood her mind. Images of the mother she believed she would never see again. Stranger still, she sees that her mother is none other than the beautiful enchantress who cursed the beast, his castle and all its inhabitants. Shocked and confused, Belle and the beast must work together to unravel a dark mystery about their families that is 21 years in the making. And that is the little synopsis of this story. So I highly recommend you all read this. This book is about $10.99 for United States and $14.99 for Canada and other territories. It's from Disney Hyperion, Los Angeles and New York. And so yeah. Also available, it's Part of Your World, Twisted Tale, Reflection, A Twisted Tale, Once Upon a Dream, A Twisted Tale, which I did read that, and A Whole New World, A Twisted Tale. These are all the Disney Twisted Tales. This book is number 3 in the series. If mine serves me correct. So tonight I'm going to read a little bit of that. Yeah, so this is pretty much the story of Beauty and the Beast, but a twisted version of it. This book comes in 3 parts. Yeah, so this also tells some of the story of everybody else.
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Greenville. Look for mostly sunny weather with a high of 37 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 26 degrees.
And that is our weather report locally where I'm at right now. So, anyways, yeah, I recommend you guys check out this book, read it to its fullest, and see what you think. So for now, make every day magical, and I will see you on the next one. But before I go, I'll leave you with one look at a stuffed animal horse that I have over here. This one is Flicka. She's a beautiful horse. She is so beautiful, y'all. I love her without a doubt. She is my favorite. Well, not exactly, but she kind of is. She's brown and white, and black hooves, black mane, black tail. But she's adorable. My girlfriend named her. Or should I say, my fiance named her. Whom I will be calling a little later on this evening. So, anyways, I want you guys to have a good day and have a good week. Christmas is coming soon. Don't forget, Christmas time's coming. So for now, make every day magical, and I'll see you on the next one. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye bye.